Wait. First shot on the road.
Hey, that's on
We are now in Portland, Oregon.
What's up?
It is 4:12 in the morning. We're supposed to be in Medford by now.
Fuck. Oh, it's on record now. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. David, is that good? 100 proof? Yeah. Yeah.
Lucky for the Skittles.
I know, huh?
Here we go.
And the fucking car, we're on the 50th. Oh wait, the
80.
50.
I'll take shotgun in the car.
Do it again, do it. Yeah. Kidnap Wolf is kind of quiet right now. He gonna loosen up pretty soon.
Yeah. He just needs a blunt.
Yeah. I'm gonna roll you a blunt.
Pretty soon he's gonna be singing Single. Single. You look, I got on my MP3 player, bro.
That's what he wanted to hear last night too.
Yeah, but my battery died.
Nope.
Okay, I got it right here.
I never ever lied.
Ready?
Toast up. California.
California.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh.
I can feel it.
Literally.
Why is this drunk cam? Is this drunk cam?
We are off to Long Beach,
Woo! Woo!
Yeah!
Hey, we can call him Kidnap Wolf. No one could compare to what we have. Yeah! I'm fucking drunk. Have your mind. California. Corona, Hamilton? Sorry, right now they got low. Shotgun. Yeah, what do you want to do? You got any cans? You got cans? Beer cans? What can? Beer cans? Yeah, that I say with him. Okay, Laker low. No, Laker low right now, so I cannot. Whoa. What? Oh yeah, which one you want? You know? I'm recording everybody.
Oh yeah, I'm recording.
Yeah. Yeah, what do you want to ring? Hey, can you take a picture with me? I take a picture with you?
Yeah!
Wait, I'm from out of state, man. I need to take a picture. Next year when I go to the Thailand and come back and but I'm from Thailand though. I got a lot of Bangkok.
What about this?
Okay, so one Thai tea without no boba and egg water, right?
Yeah.
No boba.
Okay, 2 teki, no boba.
2.
What's a boba?
What's up, Bubba?
Tapioca.
You want a Coke?
Oh, here we go again.
We got Brother Wolf, Shotgun Wolf. See Wolf? Corn Wolf. Okay. Ready, set, go. Whoa.
Oh. Oh.
Hello.
Hi,
What's your name?
I'm Tiffany. What's your name?
David. Nice to meet you. Hello. David. Nice to meet you.
Fuck, man, we're in Arizona. Fucking Alexis got pulled over.
Hello.
She's a J. Sunshine Wolf. Ain't no sunshine in the rain. Ain't no sunshine in the rain.
Back to the hotel.
301.
You gotta walk. We're now walking. We don't know how far the hotel is. But soon you want to pick some oranges.
Hell yeah. Pick some oranges. Fucking palm trees. Not bad, but damn, not this bad. Well.
We want some oranges.
Oh, that shit's an orange for real. I thought it was fake. My first Arizona orange. I bet that shit's gonna be fried like a motherfucker. Ask for color? Yeah. You want one of them?
Nah, I'm cool.
Right or? Yes, sir. How much? $1. And that's 250? 250. Okay. You want to put lemon in?
You like that?
It's alright. You want to try it? Take a picture with the man, though. Oh, that looks good. I think I want some of them. Kind of sir. Pork.
A lot?
Pork. A lot?
Yes, you.
You want a lot?
Pork. You. Pork. Pork.
Mark? Sí, trabajo. Trabajo?
Trabajo.
What's that?
Allah.
Asian?
You. Pork. You.
Work?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Up. Where we live at? Oh, hi. Oh, look at you. Go get it. Yeah, look at that. You know what you're doing.
Mati. No lemon, no sal.
Uh,
Chili.
Salt and stuff. Chili salt.
Yeah, all that.